Yes, students of class 11. Now, chapter Organic Chemistry, some basic principles and technique. In this chapter, we are taking up very important topic, and this important topic name is electron displacement effect. So children, what is electron displacement effect? So children, the effect of occurring due to displacement of electron in the covalent in the organic compound. The simple concept is this: the effect of occurring due to displacement of electrons in organic compound. This concept is known as electron displacement effect or electron delocalization effect. So children, generally in organic compound mainly consist covalent bond. So children, the electron pair present in the covalent bond may undergo displacement, right, due to the effect of its own, or under the influence of some other reagent or chemical species. This chemical species may be in form of atoms or group of atoms, or in presence of a spatial or appropriate attacking reagent, right? So children, see what we have told here. The concept, the topic is electron displacement. This is a topic. So children, what is the concept? Concept is this: the occurring of effect, the effect occurring due to displacement of electron, displacement of electrons in organic compounds, So, and this process is known as electron displacement effect. So children, see this. Now this effect, here it is a word, occurring due to the displacement of electron. So what are the effect? So we told you in the lines, this effect may be its own effect, So children, it is a normally organic compound mainly consists covalent bond, right? And covalent bond contains electron pairs. So these electron pairs in covalent bond may undergo displacement of electron, right? So due to its own effect or under influence of other atoms or group of atoms or chemical species. One line we can speak one word: chemical species. Okay children, so this is the point. Now, or one more, or appropriate, in presence of appropriate attacking reagent. So children, so this effect due to its own effect, one point own effect, or some other atom or some spatial reagent. Okay, so because of these effect, displacement of electron takes place in organic compound. Okay children, so see this, here is a, what is this? See, this is organic compound sometimes, and this is electron pair. So this is a electron pair present in covalent bond. Electron pair is present in covalent bond. This is a electron pair present in covalent bond. Okay, so sometimes they will get shift it right or left. So these are the factors. Sometimes its own in few cases, in some other atoms or groups or special chemical reasons. These because of these reason electron displace, right children? Now next we come to the, as we will know, this electronic displacement effect, right, is play a very crucial reagent, right, in the stabilization of reaction intermediate, and the means it play a very significant role in the stabilization of reaction intermediate. Reaction intermediate means and product of reactions, right children? So there are 4 electron displacement effect are generally noticed, right, in the concept of organic reaction mechanism. 4 electronic displacement. Now I am going to classify this, children. So first, this electron displacement effect is classified into part. First part is temporary effect, electron displacement, temporary effect. So number 1 is temporary, or we can speak like polarizability effect. Okay, temporary effect also known as polarizability effect, right? So polarizability effect in this category comes, there are 2. Number 1, electromagnetic effect and inductomagnetic effect. Okay, so electromagnetic and inductomagnetic effects both so temporary effect, or sometimes they are also known as polarizability effect. Okay, this is the one. Now second part that is classified on the basis effect is a permanent effect. Permanent effect or polarization effect, or they are broadly divided into 4 parts, mainly 3 or sub part. Number 1, inductive effect, mesomeric or resonance effect. Third one is hyperconjugation or resonance effect, hyperconjugation or no bond resonance, or Bacon-Nathan effect. So these are the 3 names of this. Now to understand the resonance effect, so we should know the concept of resonance also. First make sure the concept of resonance, then we will study the concept of the resonance effect. So now I am going to write this classification, children. I am going to rub this now. So classification of electronic defect in 2 parts. One is temporary effect or polarizability effect. So first one is, we told you earlier, that is inductomeric effect, and second one is electromeric effect. Now similarly, second classification, it's a permanent effect or polarization effect. Okay, so it is broadly classified in 4 parts. Number 1 is children, inductive effect. Second one is mesomeric effect or resonance effect. Okay, or to understand this, before that, make sure the concept of resonance also. Okay, resonance, what is resonance, why it is required. And next, hyperconjugation. Now it is also known some other name, like it is popular Baker-Nathan effect and no bond resonance. Okay, so sometimes question may ask in short notes also, what do you mean by no bond resonance? So children, inductive effect, mesomeric effect and hyperconjugation. So similarly, see this, we can divide this inductive effect in 2 groups, plus I minus I. Similarly, mesomeric effect here, plus M or minus M. same you can write plus r or minus r. Okay, so children, this is about the classification of electron displacement effect. So children, now we got the concept, we understood, we have discussed the concept of electronic displacement effect. So what is electronic displacement effect, children? So we told you in the definition also, right? The effect occurring due to the displacement of electron, right, in covalent or in organic compound. So this concept is known as electron displacement effect, right? And what factors are responsible to why electron get displaced? Because of, you know, three factors. It's maybe the on effect of compound or spatial reagent or some spatial or some atom or groups. So because of this shared pair electron get displaced. Okay, and then we will work on the classification. So children, we told you it is a very important, and next point is very important, children, कि dispersal in this point is very important, right? कि point dispersal of charge or electron density. So dispersal of charge, right? Or we can write one point more. So in this category, this point is very important. So dispersal of charge or the electron density stabilizes the chemical species. Means dispersal of charge or electron density stabilizes the chemical species or any organic compound. So it helps in the stabilization. Okay, so this is a key point. Now on the other hand, what is the role of localization of electrons pairs? If localization of electron pairs in organic compound increase the reactivity of organic compound, children, this is a concept. So what is the role of? Similarly, localization of electron pairs has also the importance. They help us, means in the to increase the reactivity of organic compound. Okay, so this is a summary of, okay, so I am summarizing this. So children, what is electron displacement effect, points, and types of electron displacement effect, 4 types, and what factors are responsible. Next important is what is the role of dispersal charge in or electron density in the compound. Okay, so children, in this way we have discussed the concept of electron displacement. Okay, now in next video we will take up the one by one. Okay, inductive effect, mesomeric effect, or hyperconjugation, electromeric effect. Okay, these are the part of syllabus. Thank you, children. Yes.